SixBit software offers a convenient all-in-one solution to selling on Etsy. Before you are able to list on Etsy, you will need to activate Etsy as a selling site within SixBit. If you are only selling on Etsy, you will be able to select Etsy as the site option when installing SixBit. If you are selling on multiple selling sites, you will need to be subscribed to the Enterprise Duo edition of SixBit, which allows selling on up to 2 sites, or the Enterprise Max edition of SixBit, which allows selling on unlimited sites. After signing up for SixBit, you will receive your product key and your welcome email. You will need this to complete the installation of SixBit. Upon installation, you will need to enter your registered SixBit email address and the product key to continue. If you cannot find your product key, you can select the I Can't Find My Key dropdown for a link to our client area where you will be able to see your product key. When installing SixBit to sell on Etsy, you will be prompted during setup to select the sites that you wish to sell on. First select your region, then select Etsy. You will then be prompted to create a SixBit profile and authorize your Etsy account. In the Etsy tab, the Authorize button will prompt you to sign into your Etsy account and authorize SixBit for use. Once you have completed this step, you have successfully linked your SixBit and Etsy accounts. After linking the account, you will be able to import any existing items and listings from Etsy. If you are adding an Etsy account to an existing database, you will need to activate Etsy via File, Options, Sites. Check the Etsy Site option and click OK. You will also need to add a valid Etsy seller account to a SixBit profile. To do this, go to File, Manage, Profiles, and edit a profile. Go to the Etsy section and click Authorize. You'll be prompted to enter your Etsy account information and to accept authorization for SixBit. Once you have authorized your Etsy account, you'll be able to import items and listings from Etsy into SixBit. Now that Etsy has been authorized in SixBit, you are free to create items and list them on Etsy. Create a new item by clicking the Add button from the ribbon bar of Sell Items mode. When creating items, you will need to verify that the Etsy Site tab is checked in order to list items on Etsy. Then enter a product title and add an image. I'll be using a Magic D20 as an example product. The Etsy tab only contains item data specific to Etsy, while the top half of the item window contains general information that is used across all selling sites. The Etsy title is set to be the same as the product title by default. If you want your Etsy title to be different from the product title, enter your Etsy title in this field. The description can be entered completely manually or through the use of description wrappers. You can also include HTML in your description. You can use the Edit Description button next to the description field to open the HTML editor. In this editor, you have access to item variables and snippets that can be added to your item description. Additionally, you can preview the description that you have entered to see what it would look like live on Etsy. The Etsy category can be set in the Category tab. Use the leaf arrows to follow a category path to its final leaf. You can also set the Etsy Shop section in the Category tab. The Manage Presets button next to the Shop section field will allow you to create, edit, and manage predefined Etsy Shop sections. Once you have entered your Etsy category, you can enter the primary and secondary colors for your item in the Attributes tab. Additionally, you can choose an occasion or holiday that your item relates to in the Attributes tab. The Product tab allows you to set the price, quantity to list, and other product details. The Who Made It field allows you to specify the creator of your product. This includes the product being created by yourself, a member of your shop, or another company or person. The What Is It field allows you to specify whether your item is a finished product or a supplier tool to make things. The When Was It Made field allows you to specify whether this product was made to order or the range of years it was created in. The Featured Rank field allows you to submit an item as a featured item that appears at the top of your Etsy shop. Setting the Featured Rank field to 0 will not include the listing as a featured item. Setting the featured rank from 1 to 5 will set the listing's featured item order respective to the rank entered. Checking the Customizable checkbox allows you to specify whether the item is customizable. Engravings, paint or stain colors, and designs are all examples of customizable item details. Check the Non-Taxable box to indicate the item is not a taxable item. Shipping templates for Etsy listings must be created on the Etsy site. If you are creating a fixed price shipping template, you can import it via File, Refresh, Sync Auxiliary Data, Sync Etsy Auxiliary Data. Calculated shipping templates, however, must be added to a listing on the Etsy site and brought in as a listing import or a listing refresh. Once you have added a calculated shipping profile to a listing on Etsy, you can import it via the Check Listings tab. Click the Refresh drop-down arrow in the ribbon bar and select Refresh All Listings, Refresh All Etsy Listings. After refreshing, you will see the Calculated template as an option in SixBit. Entering Etsy tags is one of the most crucial steps to creating a successful listing. You can add up to 13 tags in the Tags tab, with the remaining number available shown above the text box. Type the tag value separated by a comma in the text box, then press the Enter key to add tags manually. The tags will appear below the text box and can be removed by clicking the X next to the tag. You can also create a predefined set of tags that can be applied to items. Click the Manage Presets button to the right of the text box to open the Manage Predefined Tags window. In this window, you can create a new predefined set of tags by clicking New, entering a name for your predefined set, and entering the values on the right side of the window. You can also delete and rename predefined tags in this window. Once you are happy with your tag set, click OK to save and apply it to your item. You can enter materials manually or save predefined material lists in the same way Etsy tags are entered. If you list on multiple sites, you can save time by populating your Etsy data from the eBay tab. Select the Populate From option and select eBay to import your eBay item data into the Etsy fields. It is important to verify all information is accurate and all of the fields have been filled out before continuing. Once you have successfully entered all of the item details that are required, you can save and exit your item. Your item is now ready for listing on Etsy.